Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you doing today, Faik?
Alhamdulillah, fine sir.
Alhamdulillah. Are you
Alhamdulillah.
ready for today's interview?
Inshallah, I'm
Okay,
ready.
let's move on to the very first question. Could you please tell me about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Abdullah Al Faik, and you may call me, and the other call me Faik. I'm from Nanggret now. Nanggret in IDN Warrior School. I'm from Tangerang. Yeah, I born at 24 August 2009. 2009. And yeah, I'm I'm here in IDN for about 3 years now, and yeah, I I like to play badminton, swimming, yeah, and maybe that's all, sir.
Okay, it's a little bit
Yeah,
informative. Okay,
yeah.
and then how was your IT skill before joining IDN?
Before joining IDN, yeah, um, that honestly it's kind of bad because before I come to IDN, I only can play some games like yeah in computer I only can play some games. I cannot do anything, only play games and watch some video on YouTube. And after I go to IDN, I can make some game, make some website, and now we have project in 9th grade. We have application, and yeah, I make application for 5 application now, and now also I can help my father for do his work when he was drive car. Maybe he got some job, and yeah, alhamdulillah I can help him for do it.
Okay, so you're saying that before you join IDN, you just know how to play games, and
Yeah,
then you've now been given the time. You've been spending like almost three
3 years.
years.
Yeah,
You know a lot of things, and even you can help your father.
yeah,
Okay, it's good. And how about the progress of your ability during learning at IDN?
alhamdulillah it's good. Yeah, it's like um I got main lesson in IDN is about IT. Yeah, in IT we have a game in 7th grade. With game we make some games in a website. It's a Scratch website. Yeah, and we have also another games with some application, build box application. Um, yeah, build box application. We have 3 or 4 game, and also we have project for make website. We have our own website, personal website, like our portfolio there, and also we make some like mosque website, company website, yeah. And in 8th grade our generation also get um, some IoT lesson, like internet of things. It's like robotic, or yeah, something like that. Like we code the robots, or we code some sensor for do the progress. Yeah. And now in 9th grade we have lesson about application, like from website, Codular website. Yeah, we have application, and we have Flutter or Kotlin. That's application that we need to code. We need to code it. And in the last project of IT, the later we have Cisco. It's like on the topology of Cisco. And yeah, maybe that's in IT, sir. And we'll continue to English. In English, we have like vocabulary test. We have um, like storytelling. We have tell a story. Yeah, and we have conversation in English like now, or podcast, or WWTS. Yeah, or weekend English talk that we do in the mosque. And yeah, a lot of a project in English that That's for our upgrade, upgrading our own skills. Yeah, that's a lot, but I can't tell it all of them. And maybe that's all from English. And I will continue to Dinia. In Dinia, we have yeah, mostly it's only like poster. Poster is like ada poster, akidah poster, or mind mapping. Yeah, and also we learn about sirah, fikih, or yeah, another lesson in Dinia, like Arabic language. Yeah, that's just a book. And yeah, we got alhamdulillah here. We also get tahfiz, tahfiz or halaqah. Yeah, we have our own target in IDN is 2 Jews. Yeah, so alhamdulillah in 9 grade we have finished our target, that's 2 Jews in all of the 3 years here. And yeah, maybe that's my progress in IDN about all of my lesson.
Okay, you already talked about your progress regarding IT, English, Dinia, and Tahfiz.
Yes,
Okay, so far so good. And
alhamdulillah.
you might want to tell me one of your favorite game you already created so far.
My favorite games, maybe in Scratch. In Scratch, I have my favorite games, my best games that I have that ever I make it is like Pac-Man games. That's like how we do it. It's like some Pac-Man that will bite the ghost, and yeah, and the ghost will move again, will spawn again in the random place, and he need to bite again. Yeah, and like if it if the ghost touch the main character from the back, it will make the make our main character die, and yeah, we will lose. And yeah, that's my best games that I ever make. I have also another games that from Buildbox that like a Dino games. We make like Dino games that unlimited line, but he only jumps from the cactus and from the bird. Yeah, maybe that's all for both my perfect. No, it's not perfect. That's game that I very like it. Yeah.
Okay, okay, enough about game. And for last, maybe you might want to give us words. Yeah, any suggestion, recommendation, any words for IDN.
Words from IDN. Maybe stop for add a new IDN, but upgrade the that IDN that is already make, like in Pamijahan, Jonggol, or Sentul.
Or so you were telling us to focus
Yeah,
more
focus more.
for upgrading the one that already been built and
Yeah.
founded, like Pamijahan or Sentul or maybe Jonggol, rather than creating
Yeah.
new brands.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you've been saying.
Yes.
Why exactly?
Maybe it's like it will the student will feel more comfort even it's full, but maybe they will feel more comfort if their school is upgrading with the good facility, with good, yeah, we have a problem maybe like Wi-Fi. Yeah, it will make the student is more comfort if our Wi-Fi or our, yeah, all of the facility is good. Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
that's
okay, that would
my
be
word.
all. Thanks for today
Yeah.
interview.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah. So the other presentation by this is my favorite country. Favorite country presentation. But that before I have told to you in my presentation, study and project plan. But that's Greek or Greece and Switzerland. Yeah, this is the flag. You can see. Yeah, this is the flag of Greece or Greek. This is my favorite country. Why? Why? No, I mean this Norway. Why Greece and Norway? Yeah, as you know, Greece have like a good story and a good history that yeah that is make me interested with the story and the history. Greece like this, their statue, yeah, that I centered the face like Greece, and then why? I wanna study or learning more about their mythology or their myth. Like I really um, learn that deep learn until their very old history that be I think that will um, got some shirik maybe or something like that. So I just wanna learn about there. And as you can see in before, here is the country of Greece. Yeah, see, it's like this looks like very good for your story. Yeah, just kidding. It's good. Yeah, and just wanna learn these two of the countries that I wanna visit only. I don't want like live there for about 10 years or married some there yeah okay continue. And why Norway is also good. Yeah, this that before I said Switzerland is have their own mythology that Nordic, and this Norway is one of them. From that seven or six I forgot. And as you can see, Norway also have a good view for you. See, it's good. It looks like a village, it's nature with their ocean. Yeah, well, with their history also, of course, with their myth and with their mythology that is very interesting to me. Yeah, and fun fact. Yeah, maybe the fun fact of Greece is like their mythology that they have their own god and they have a lot of story like you know in Indonesia we have called their zodiac or like star. Yeah, that's where we birth, and that's like that also have the story and history of that of the star. Why called that? Why do how and why? Yeah, and here also in Greece is like very um, good view and good environment. Yeah, that's the fun fact. And there, but here they have a lot of tattoo. Yeah, that's one of the fun fact also that they have there a lot of tattoo. And yeah, only that for this Greek or Greece, and we'll continue to Norway. Why Norway? Yeah, yeah. this. Yeah, you ever see like before the country why Norway? And what's the fun fact? Norway have a deep ocean, and they have some myth in that ocean have um, some monster or something like that. That's very interesting for me. Yeah, maybe. Then and um, you know, Norway Norway have like um, good nature, good environment, have a mountain. Yeah, have mountain that height is like 2,000 until 4,000 mgpl. That and with their good nature and yeah, their mythology or their myth, Nordic. If you know, maybe they have in my year or yeah, as a teenager or a child now, maybe they will know about Nordic mythology. Yeah, that's like the some monster that have like three child that the one of them very high in up the he no I mean not even up of the sky, one in the ocean and one in the inside of the earth. Yeah, and they have some like monster cyclops that have only one eyes. Um, it's like Dajjal, but it's not Dajjal. Yeah, because Dajjal have two eyes, but one is like yeah, like this, like small or like that, and he have um kafaro item in his head. Yeah, and but Cyclops is not that like there is if Dajjal have a fitnah, so Cyclops don't have. Yeah, Cyclops is only like myth and only um monster in their country. Yeah, and then they have still have a lot of monster or something like that that I haven't know till now. I have learned. That's why I want to go to Norway. Yeah, Norway. Yeah, because of that. And you can see the ocean. Here, they have a big ocean, good ocean, blue, and not and inshallah will not there is no some trash or plastic like that. And yeah, maybe this the last only the fun fact is the last. And yeah, thank you for my presentation about favorite country, why I pick Greek or Greece and Norwegia, Norway. Yeah, here one of the monument in Greece, in Greek, that's like old monument that have their own history also. Yeah, their own history also, and as you can see, it's like a whole of day for they do something like maybe gathering or something like that. And this, it's like castle, but I don't know what's the story or the history. Yeah, maybe that's all from me for this slide of favorite country presentation. My name is Abdul Faik. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is Abdul Faik. You can call me Faik. And now it's my presentation about project that I have made in IDN. Very small, yeah, because I have 3 years in IDN, and this is my last project, or is all of my project that I have made. But it's not like portfolio that I tell you one by one what's my project and what like Bomberman or like that, and I still use a Scratch platform or something, or I make running ball with a build box, or I make most website with Google site. Yeah, now I will not tell you one by one with a detail yet, but I will tell you like yes, yeah, we learn. Yeah, seventh grade, I have the title with under title. We have a game. We make game with two platform. That later we'll see what's the platform for eighth grade. We have design and IoT or Internet of Things, robotic. Yeah, we can say it robotic. And non grade, we have code. It's not really code because Codler is still drag and drop and with a block code, not really code. Maybe later in Flutter we'll have a code, we'll coding in Android Studio maybe. Yeah, then we'll have some network engineering lesson in the last of ninth grade. But now I'm still in the first early of ninth grade. So I have only made 4 projects in ninth grade. That's all use Codeler platform. Yeah. Then let's continue. First, seventh grade. This Scratch in the whole of a first semester we use Scratch. Yeah. Scratch. What is Scratch? Yeah. So it is platform of our website for we make some game 2D game, but we can like improve it to 3D game. But yeah, we need much code and maybe much design of that. And then yeah, this Scratch made by 2% from University of what forgot of that. Yeah, that's the first is like the fundamental. My teacher said this Scratch have made by 2% from one of university in uh, yeah, that I forgot. Then I'm afraid I got wrong word with this university because I forgot and something there's some abstract word like that. And yeah, we have make around 7 or 9 project with this Scratch. So the first we have catching fruit. What's the catching fruit? It's like we catch the fruit that fall from up with a bowl, with one bowl. Yeah, that we put also one bomb that will explode if touch the bowl. So we have to avoid the bomb, and we have to collect the fruit for win. Yeah. The second, I have like the manners of sleep game. It's like slide butts game. Like manners game that have 2 character that is Omar. Omar, if I'm not wrong, Nadia. It's not Omar and Hannah, but it's Omar and Nadia. So this both of this the character is like one's for girl. If the player, the one that played this game is girl, yeah, I will pick Nadia. And if boy, we'll pick Omar. Yeah, it's like we have 12 slides for the manners like sunnah of Rasul that we need to wudu before sleep, or we need to keep clean our bed before sleep, or yeah, and like we need to pray before sleep, and sleep with the right way. Yeah, like something like that. And the third project of Scratch is Take Me Out. Yeah, so the name Take Me Out. So it's Take Me Out. Yeah, it's like um, Kate, Katie, and Kate, the logo of Scratch that inside of the game. Yeah, it's like he is in barrier, so we need to take him out. Yeah, how the way? Yeah, we need to um like move with the cat and collect the diamonds. Yeah, collect diamonds, and we move to the second step that have three question that we need to answer it, like who is the founder of IDN. Yeah, we need to answer it. And who is Avan Faiz Darmawan? Yeah, maybe if that's the question, only some of us that know it. Yeah, then yeah, something like that. And continue to um, Prokop. Yeah, Prokop. It's like um, we make some frog from one island to the other. He wanna go to the other island. Yeah, so like he need to jump, but he need to wait for the lily pad. Yeah, this lily pad. I don't know. Yeah, and he need to wait for the lily pad, and the frog cannot. He need to avoid the water. Yeah. Then the fourth or the fifth is um, block breaker. Yeah, it's like we have one pedal, like yeah, black pedal, and one ball that will bounce and to everywhere, and we have to break the block. So the name is block breaker. Yeah, we need to break the block, the green blocks that lot of block in the up. Yeah, then we need to like we need to break it. Yeah, and then continue to the sixth is um, um, slash fruit. Yeah, slash fruit if I'm not wrong, or ninja fruit. Yeah, something like that. That this is a new future, new feature, like um, we can use camera, our camera, laptop camera or phone camera for slash the fruit, or we use our cursor, or that there we use katana, yeah, for slash the fruit. And the same as catching fruit, that we need to avoid bomb. Yeah, there will be a lot of bomb, like game slash fruit, that the fruit and the bomb will come to the stage with all of the border. Yeah, yeah, something like that. But we can use our camera like that. And the last project, yeah, we only have a 7 project. As I remember, the last project in Scratch, that's a Bomberman. Yeah, it's like we have like cat that we need to avoid um, 3 crabs. Yeah, so we need to collect diamond, and we need to avoid the crabs and the bombs. If I'm wrong, it's like Pac-Man game, or the one that blue, we need to pop like that. Yeah, something like that. That yeah, only that. And for your information, this scratch is um, this scratch is we use a block code, and also we can design our own sprite or our own character there. And then yeah, this is the first semester, the whole of second semester, the first whole of first semester. Yeah, of that we make a scratch project, and we move to second semester. we have Buildbox Google site. It's supposed to be WordPress. If you see previous 9th grade presentation about project that I have made, yeah, he was use WordPress, not Google site. Yeah, Google site. Why? Because yeah, WordPress is payment. Yeah, we need to do payment for WordPress. So we use Google site, but free. And yeah, so Bullbox. We have five, yeah, um, five, five, what name? 5 games in Bullbox. So the first is Dino game. So we make like Dino Google, but in Bullbox that we use block code also. It's like block code, but we need to um, do the right pattern like that. Yeah, and the second is um, running ball. Wrong. It's running ball. Running ball. It's running ball. Yeah, that's like ball running, ball that running, and yeah, we have to avoid something like ghost or something that we make the character. And the third is switching ball. So it's not the ball. I mean it's not the ball that switch, but like the whole switching like yeah like this. And the fourth is treasure hunt. So we make like something like treasure like that. And the last is jumping block. So we need to jump from one until finish. Yeah, and there we have our our flag for win. Yeah, and then Google site we have three three or two project in Google site. There's a school website. So I have made school website that maybe I will show you later in my portfolio project later. Still there is that only spoiler. And then most website. Yeah, that most website. And then the third is like well, we made our website by ourselves. It's like yeah, we improve the website. Okay. Next, yeah, EdGrade. We have a lot of things in EdGrade. Even it's only two materials, design and Internet of Things. Yeah. So first semester we use we use this Figma, Photopea, and Microbit. If I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong, so we first um, we use Figma for make a lot of project um, like human flat. Then we make UI UX, UI only maybe. Then UI website and yeah, and the other like maybe like mockup or something like that. And we use Photopea or just like Adobe Photoshop. It's like this the free version. That's Photopea. Yeah. But this less than Photoshop. Yeah, Photoshop is master. So this for beginner. Yeah, Photopea. And then we have Microbit. So we have make some Microbit project. That's like we have teeny bit or small robots that have two wheels that we code he can follow the pattern or we call it follow line follower, and then remote control that we control with the remote that we got from the package. Um, then yeah, on that maybe. And for the second semester of EdGrade, first we use Walkway. Yeah. So actually, we only use 3 platforms: Walkway, Tinkercad. Two of this is website, and one Arduino is application. What's the other? What's other fruit? What is UB dots? What is Singarayo? What is that all? Yeah. So this is only the third party or our partner, the third guest. Yeah. So first we make Tinkercad. First this Tinkercad. Yeah. This for we make some um no 3D design. 3D design. I make castle. Yeah, I make castle there and a lot of things like someone make robots or something like that. And then Rokui. Um, Rokui, yeah, we make like it's like Internet of Things. We make a lot. We like make and finding machine or something like that. Yeah, that we use also these things. I forgot what, but as I remember, Wokwi is use the third party or the GSSQB dots and Tingarayo. Sounds wrong. And Arduino that we code by ourselves. Um, this with Adafruit. Yeah, that's not wrong. So save this all of the website application and the third party that we use in the second in the 8th grade. Yeah, 8th grade we use this all. Maybe that. So Arduino is like code. Yeah, we base on code. So we code by ourselves. Like we need to do what? Yeah, we code by ourselves. Here, Walkwe is also same like Arduino, but Arduino we don't have any help. Yeah, like if in Walkwe is like in Android Studio maybe Visual Code Studio. Yeah, that if we only write some like string, we want to write string, then we just write S, then we can pick what we want string or the other or space or the other factor. But in Arduino we cannot, we don't have any help. So we need to do by ourselves and do not typo. Yeah, that's the problem. If we typo for about only one dot or something like that, maybe the program will not running well. Yeah. For the P, make like some digital manipulation. You know, that manipulation that first we have a five picture. That will be one picture manipulation that's very good and amazing. Like our friend Afif Fatih and Akbar have made their his digital manipulation that something like people in moon with a good mountain. Me, I made some person up of the car in the field up of the car, and he look at the moon. Maybe that's all from for this 8th grade. We will move to 9th grade. This I don't know, will this Cisco partner or not, but I think yesterday, no, I mean previous semester that previous 9th grade used this Cisco partner. So first in the first semester this first we use Codular. I have made 4 project in Codular. There's name take or name card, the digital name take, and the second is wait, I forgot. It's like radio online, yeah, online radio that we take from Roja and Bus FM. Then we have like talk to me, yeah, so we can talk or write something to him. And the 4th is find my age. So when I click or do something like that, yeah, or I put my birth here, then we'll show image that a teenager, child, or adult. Yeah, you will calculate. And the last or the 5th, still spoiler, that's calculator, that we will make calculator. Yeah. Then Flutter. If Flutter, we on the whole of 9th grade still downloading the Flutter and the other like Android Studio, Visual Studio, or yeah, like that. This for siswa partner still issue only. Maybe I know that I will take Cisco or something like that or not. Yeah. So maybe that's all. That's all for me. For me, yeah, this my 9 grade project that I will move. Thank you. Thank you very much for you listening for my presentation. Yeah, my project that I have made in IDN. This presentation is about it's like portfolio, but it's not my portfolio. Yeah. And yeah, thank you very much. My name is Abdul Faik. So thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.